right into the gator's mouth. So close. He almost made it in the winner's circle with Robin. Not today. Not today. Oh, the Corvette Grand Sport is a true champion. And he makes it again. All right, let's see who's gonna fare the best out of the Star Wars series. Who's your pick?
This car.
You're gonna go with that one? I'm gonna go with Darth Vader. He looks like a pretty good track car. All right, buddy, let's see. Ooh, Wipeout in the loop. Let's set him right there. I'll reset the kicker loop. All right, buddy, next car.
I'm gonna take this car.
Let's see it. We have a winner! Right into the gator's mouth. And who is it? I don't even remember who this is. What car is that? Anybody know? It's a cool one. Get on the track. Next car. Hang on. Reset the track. Darth Vader. Here we go, Darth. Let's do it. Oh, and Darth Vader wipes out on the jump. Brutal. We almost had it there. Cool looking car though. You want to try Skywalker? Let's reset everything. All right. Are you ready? Let's do it. Ooh, let's give him another shot. Here, buddy. Let's try him again. Kind of got wiped out in that turn there. All right, send him again. Ooh, he does not handle the kicker loop very well. We're gonna leave him there. Who's up next?
This car.
Let's do it. That's a cool looking car. And another wipeout in the kicker loop. Next one. Look at that.
Stormtrooper.
Is that a stormtrooper?
Yeah.
Let's see him. Oh, wipeout in the turn kicker. And your winner in the Star Wars series is this guy right here. Darth Vader, close second. Cool cars though. Very cool cars. I like them a lot.
Yeah, I like them a lot.
You like them too? Show me your winner. That's Darth Vader. This is your winner right there. at the kicker loop.
Anyone, start this song.
All right, buddy.
Your bus coming.
Send it again. Jason, send it again, bud.
Start this song. It's gonna go. Lisa, start it in your boo-boo. Are you off? And set. Go!
Oh, I don't think he's gonna make it. He doesn't like coming out of that booster. Are you guys gonna send the Porsche?
Lisa's ready. Lisa, start it in on your mark. Get set. Go!
Wipe out.
Everyone,
Yeah, the cars are struggling with the track setup today, aren't they? Oh, the G37. The Infinity G37 almost made it. Almost made it to the Gator. We'll put him about right there where he ended.